Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change language shortcut on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to general management. In general management, go to physical keyboard. Here in physical keyboard, okay, you can see the change language shortcut. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay guys, here you can see the language shortcut. And okay, you can turn off this to change the language shortcut. Okay, you can turn off the shift plus space. And you can turn off the control plus space. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the language shortcut. And okay, also you can enable this, or you can turn off the left alt plus shift, or you can turn on the control space and turn off the shift plus space. And that's it guys. Okay, we have successfully changed the language shortcut on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.